In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create random numbers in Excel. This is a very simple and useful Excel technique, especially if you need sample data, want to test formulas, build practice spreadsheets, or generate quick placeholder numbers without typing everything manually. The great thing is that Excel already has a built-in function for this, so you don't need any extra tools or add-ins. To create a random number in Excel, start by clicking on the cell where you want the random number to appear. This can be any empty cell in your worksheet. Once you've selected the cell, type in the following formula exactly as shown: equals ran between open parenthesis 5, 200 close parenthesis. Written out, the formula is equals ran between, then 5, then 200 inside parentheses. What this does is tell Excel to generate a random whole number between 5 and 200. The first number, 5, is the minimum value, and the second number, 200, is the maximum value. So the result will always be an integer somewhere within that range, including both 5 and 200. After typing the formula, press Enter. Excel will instantly display a random number in that cell. Each time the sheet recalculates, that number may change because this is a dynamic random function. So if you edit something in the sheet or reopen the workbook, Excel may generate a new number automatically. That behavior is helpful in many cases, but if you want to keep the number from changing, a useful tip is to copy the cell and then paste it back as a value. That way, the randomly generated result becomes a fixed number instead of an active formula. You can also customize this formula anytime by changing the starting and ending values. For example, if you want a different range, just replace 5 and 200 with the numbers you need. The structure stays the same, and Excel will generate a random whole number within whatever range you choose. One important thing to remember is that ran between returns whole numbers only. So if you are looking for decimal values, you would need a different function. But for quick random integers, this is one of the easiest formulas to use in Excel. And that's all there is to it. Once you know this formula, generating random numbers in Excel becomes fast, flexible, and very convenient for all kinds of spreadsheet tasks.